सो गिलफर्ड थ्योरी ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस में आपका सेकंड पार्ट होता है आपका कंटेंट, राइट। दिस इज योर सेकंड पार्ट, राइट। आप इसको सीक्वेंस में भी लिख सकते हैं, कंटेंट प्रोडक्ट ऑपरेशन, या फिर ऑपरेशन प्रोडक्ट कंटेंट, या फिर आप किसी भी सीक्वेंस में लिख सकते हैं। सीक्वेंस इसमें मैटर नहीं करता है। मेन क्या मैटर करता है इसका कि आपको उसके अंदर के सब फैक्टर और उनके बारे में नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। सो आज इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे आपके कंटेंट और प्रोडक्ट, राइट। सो लेट स्टार्ट द वीडियो। सो हमारा सेकंड पार्ट था आपका, पहला पार्ट हम कर चुके हैं ऑपरेशन, आपको आई डिस्क्रिप्शन में फर्स्ट वीडियो मिल जाएगी। सेकंड पार्ट है इसका आपका कंटेंट। नाउ गाइस, कंटेंट में आपके 5 पार्ट मेन होते हैं। कौन कौन से पार्ट होते हैं मैं यहाँ पर आप लिख देता हूँ, आप उनको रिवाइज करते चले। और गाइस याद रखें, जो यहाँ पर मैं लिख रहा हूँ ये आज एक कोर पार्ट है आपका, राइट। ये सारे आपके कोर पार्ट्स हैं, आप इसके कोर डेफिनेशन आप लिख सकते हो। आप इसको एलैबोरेट करके, अगर आपका ये पेपर में आता है तो आप इसको एलैबोरेट करके लिखें। यहाँ पर मैं आपको एज ए कोर पार्ट या फिर कोर वर्ड्स जो आप कह सकते हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स दैट हैज टू बी यूज व्हेन यू डिस्क्राइबिंग समथिंग अबाउट, राइट। सो यहाँ पर मैं आपको कोर वर्ड और उनके जो कोर पार्ट है उनके बारे में बताता हूँ। बाकी एक्सप्लेनेशन आप कितना भी बड़े से बड़ा कर सकते हैं, राइट। सो हम देखते हैं इसके कंटेंट में। कंटेंट में आपके 5 पार्ट होते हैं। सबसे पहला पार्ट है आपका विजुअल। नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय विजुअल? विजुअल मीन्स एनीथिंग दैट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द कंक्रीट मटेरियल, राइट। द कंक्रीट मटेरियल विच हैज बीन परसीव्ड थ्रू आवर आइज, राइट। सो कंक्रीट मटेरियल क्या होता है? आपकी रियल ऑब्जेक्ट, वो सारी रियल ऑब्जेक्ट जो कि कंक्रीट मटेरियल में है और हम आइज के थ्रू देखते हैं, दैट इज योर विजुअल, राइट। सो कंक्रीट मटेरियल जो भी हम आइज के थ्रू देखते हैं वो हमारे किस में आता है? वो आपके विजुअल पार्ट में आता है। सेकंड पार्ट है इसका कंटेंट में आपका, दैट इज ऑडिटरी। नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ऑडिटरी? The auditory means the consist of the matter or information that is perceived through eyes। जो भी information जो आपको ears के थ्रू perceive होती है, cognition क्योंकि भी एक प्रोसेस आप कर सकते हो कि आपको eyes के थ्रू information प्रोवाइड हुई, उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है वो आप उसमें cognition एक्टिविटी कर सकते हो। तो there is some connection between the cognition and also you can say auditory आपका cognition का ही part है। So what do you mean by auditory? That is anything that is information we perceive through our ears. Now third part आपका क्या है? थर्ड पार्ट है इसमें आपका symbolic. Now what do you mean by symbolic? Symbolic represent a specific or generalized pattern or sign that conventional our specific idea, right? It can be composed of the letter, digit or any particular sign that we generalize know that this sign represent this kind of information. Suppose if we take dollar, so we know that dollar represent a amount of money, right? So these are called the symbolic representation or you can say symbolic content. फोर्थ पार्ट आपका होता है इसमें सिमेंटिक। नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सिमेंटिक? गाइस सिमेंटिक का मतलब ही होता है उसका मीनिंग, किसी एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड का मीनिंग, दैट इज जो कि आपके सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? आपके सिमेंटिक कहते हैं। या फिर आप कह सकते हो ए वर्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्लियर कट वर्बल मीनिंग, राइट। नाउ लास्ट आपका होता है इसमें बिहेवियर कंटेंट। So what do you mean by behavior content? That is social intelligence which enable us to understand the communication, right? So communication can be through by the language or by any conventional sign, that is our behavioral content, right? So ये आपके 5 हो गए हैं किसके? आपके कंटेंट के। एक बार दोबारा हम इनके देख लेते हैं क्या क्या था कंटेंट में। सबसे पहला आपका पार्ट था विजुअल। Visual means the anything which is in the form of concrete material and has been perceived through our eyes, that is our visual content, or you can say all real objects that we can see or come into the visual content. Second is your auditory means whatever information we have perceived through our ears, right? That is auditory. थर्ड आपका था दैट इज सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंट ए पर्टिकुलर और जनरलाइज साइन दैट इज रिप्रेजेंट समथिंग काइंड ऑफ क्वांटिटी और ए क्वालिटी। लाइक आई टोल्ड यू सिंबॉलिक यू कैन से इफ यू सेड डॉलर और ए पाउंड दैट रिप्रेजेंट अ समथिंग और एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ मनी। नेक्स्ट इज योर फोर्थ था आपका सिमेंटिक मीन्स दैट दोज वर्ड विच रिप्रेजेंट ए clear cut meaning or certain ideas which is that is you can say self explanatory, they does not need any kind of self explanation, right? फिफ्थ था आपका बिहेवियर. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय बिहेवियर? बिहेवियर कंटेंस में लाइक social intelligence which enable us to communicate with each other. It is in the form of sign, it is in the form of language, or any information, any kind of you can say any communication process, any communication from one person to another person in any form. That is our behavioral content. Next is your, we have done operation, we have done content, last is your product, right? So third part is our of Guilford theory of intelligence is your products, right? So product also contains 6 subparts, right? What are those parts? First, that is unit. So what are unit? Unit is sensory perception into their uniqueness. So anything that's come to an particular kind of category, or you can say these comes into the your unit. That is suppose करो अगर मैं बात कर रहा हूँ किसी एक पर्टिकुलर जैसे हम डिवाइड करते हैं, ये 6th यूनिट है, ये 7th यूनिट है. That mean a unit is a large category that consists of a certain amount of generalized people that behave in a certain way, right? These are called your units. So what is unit? That is second part is our class. What do you mean by class? You can say class is the subpart of the unit. And what do you mean by the classes? Class is the ability to categorize same kind of ideas, or you can say same kind of information. Class also called ideas or categories. So what do you mean by class? That is ability to categorize ideas. Now third one is your relations. So what do you mean by relation? The ability to understand the relationship between or among the existing. That is what is how one person is related to the another, or how an object is related to the another object in terms of many kinds, right? So how a relationship between one person to among or certain way, right? How a relationships can be exist in the different possible way. That is our relation. Come to the fourth point of this product, that is fourth is your system. Now what do you mean by system? System represent an ability or group of ideas to structure the problem for the solution. Suppose if I am saying that something has to be done in that particular way, so you guys are making your mind and thinking the solution in your own space, right? Yeah, or you can say that you are thinking abstractly, right? Without seeing the thing, you are thinking in your brain that this problem should or can be done in this way or this way. So these are the system, that is the ability to group ideas for, or the ability to structure problem for the solution. Now fifth point of this product is your transformation. So what do you mean by the transformation? That is an ability to give suggestion or to produce the future shape of the certain object under certain circumstances. That is how you can mold the different kind of problem into the different structure so that you can solve them, right? If suppose I am thinking that this question is too much lengthy, so what I have done to be categorized in the different part. Like suppose you can say Guilford theory also, right? It's a three-dimensional story. So what Guilford done? Guilford divided into the 3 parts. What? That is content, product and operation. And after that content further divided into 5, 6 and 6 category. So this is transformation. How you gonna transform the certain kind of problem or a situation under your circumstances and how you react on them. That is your transformation. Last part of our product, that is implication. Now what do you mean by implication? So implication is the ability to apply the meaning. What information that we gather, how we gonna imply on that particular kind of question or particular kind of situation. The knowledge we gather from the different aspect, how we gonna imply on that certain kind of situation or the certain kind of problem. That is our implication. So implication is an ability to understand the implied meaning. This is all about your Guilford theory of intelligence. So let me recall one more time what is our content and what is our product. So content contain your 5 parts. What are these 5 parts? Visual, auditory, symbolic, semantic and behavior, right? Now what is your product? Product consists of your 6 category. Six category. What is those category? First is your unit. Unit is a sensory perception into their uniqueness. Suppose we gather the information and then we further divide it into their uniqueness. Suppose a person is vegetarian, right, and another is non-vegetarian. So we divided, that is, this unit is for the vegetarian and this unit is for the non-vegetarian. So this is how we bifurcate them, right? Second, your class. Class is like, suppose in this category these are the non-vegetarian or these are the vegetarian. In further the vegetarian, there are some people which do not eat like ghee or some kind of olive oil that are made from the animal fat, right? So further we divide it into the another, that is our class. So unit is a larger part and class is the sub part of the unit. Next is your relationship. How you understand the relationship between real and existing things, like what is the relation of this problem with this problem, and or you can say what is the relationship between these two problems, how they can be related with each other, or how the relationship between or among existing thing, right? Number 4, that is your system. System is like an ability to group your idea. Suppose a certain kind of idea are into the another system and certain kind of idea are into the another system. So if you categorize your idea on a different perspective, that is your system, or how you gonna think about the problem in a certain idea, or how you gonna the structure a problem for the solution, that is your system. So how you gonna solve the problem in your abstract or in real world into your mind or into your space, and how you gonna solve those problems are called your these are called your systems, right? Transformation is the ability to give suggestion or to produce certain shape under certain understanding, right? Suppose something has to be done in this way, but how we can transform this thing into the another kind of aspect so that it can be easily done for us or for any other pupil. So transformation, that means changing of the thing, or you can say changing of your ideas, so that the intelligence can be required from the different aspects, right? Sixth, last part is our implication. Implication means the knowledge we gather from all of the aspect or from different kind of problem or solution or from the world, how we gonna imply on our problem, right? We gather knowledge from A part, we get knowledge from the B part, we get knowledge from the C part. How we gonna apply to those knowledge into our problem? This is our implication. So the implication is all about ability to understand the implied meaning. Guys, I will say again, ये सारे आपके core word है, right? This has to be written when you gonna explain. Suppose if you gonna explain the word system, then it means that the structure problem for some solution. So these are your code words, right? You can explain in your way. Thinking and the intelligence or the way you write can be differ from one person to another person. So that's all about the Guilford theory of intelligence, right? I hope guys you like it. If you guys like it, please give a thumbs up. So we'll see you next round. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep smiling, and keep gathering lots of memory. And one more thing, if you like our video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you all of you.